So we want to turn a plain meal into a flavor bomb in just 5 minutes. Let's make some quick pickled onions. So this is just a quick 1 jar refrigerator pickled onion recipe. And if you have some large red onions, I would say 1 or 2 would be all you need to start. I'm using up a bunch from my garden that were just small. And then from there, I am running them through my mandolin slicer. So you want to slice up those onions nice and thin so that they can quickly absorb all that great vinegary brine. And remember, those mandolins are super sharp, so you want to make sure that you are protecting your hands. I have this little glove that came with my mandolin slicer, and plus you want to be using that guide to make sure that you are not going to hurt yourself. And once you have a nice container full of sliced onions, you are ready to pack them into a jar. So I have sterilized this jar, and now I am just going to pack in all these sliced red onions into it, and then we are ready to start making the brine. So in a small saucepan, just over medium to high heat, I am adding 1 cup of water, and I'm going to be using red wine vinegar. You can use white or apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of that. Then I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of coarse pickling salt. Then you just keep that warming up over the heat. You don't have to bring it to a boil, just make sure it's all mixed in. I'm going to be adding some black peppercorns. This is optional. You can also add in some garlic or any other spices you may want to add, such as something like cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. So once those salts and sugars are thoroughly dissolved, you can go ahead and pour that hot brine right over your onions. And you will see a nice color change. The brine will turn a nice pink color. And before you put that lid on it, I use a spatula or a chopstick just to poke it down all over inside just to make sure there's no air bubbles. And then you can put the lid on it and let it cool on the counter and then just pop it into the fridge. So these are great to have on tacos, burgers, or salads. So good. I served them up this weekend to my family when we were having a barbecue. They enjoyed eating them on their burgers. If you want to get more easy garden-to-table recipes like this, then come over and join our community on the school platform, Gardeners Growing Together. Our community is an uplifting space where you can connect, share wins, troubleshoot struggles, and keep learning together. Check out the link in the description box below and come join our community.